What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for watching. So today, y'all, we back in the graveyard, me and Fez, and we looking for parts for the Grand Prix. And this is the first time. I didn't even think we was gonna find a GXP here, but we actually found a GXP and we're about to pull the fan off. I'm looking for the little blinker thing, whatever you call that, and the blinker thing, some of the vents, all that stuff. I have it all written down and stuff. So we're about to start pulling, like I said, pull the fan off right quick and then look around, see if we can find some more stuff for the Grand Prix. But let's go ahead and get this video started. I didn't even see this one last time we came, honestly. But they already started, somebody already came and started tearing it apart. They already took the seats out of it, took one of the pieces I need. I see if I can get this heads-up display out too. And then they took the motor out. The motor's right here, the 5.3. And I guess they just took the transmission, but they just kind of yanked everything. Everything is pretty much sitting right here. Except it's the whole cradle is it. So I wonder if it had some goddamn wheels on it. What it had on it. Door, side panel, all that stuff is ripped out already. Damn. Somebody picture up in there. Goddamn all pressure sensor right there. And the way I knew it was a GXP is because of this tap shift. It's like, man, this got to be a GXP. I may take this too, because mine's is all scratched up, even though this one was scratched up also. But I may go ahead and take it. So Fez is already up in there. God dang, man.
You're watching Mo Nation right now.
He already up in there taking it apart. Try to see if I could take this damn heads-up display out. I don't really know how, but I mean, won't hurt nothing if I break it. I don't need the top part or anything anyway. So we got the glove compartment. I needed that. I'm gonna go ahead and put these vents up in there. I needed some vents, and we tried getting the heads-up display out, but we need an extension. So I'm gonna come back another day and try to get, hopefully the heads-up is not gone, and grab that. So that's good. All we need is the heads up and the turn signal. So we'll walk around, see if they got some more GXPs out here. See what I can grab, if I can get the turn signal thing from it on that. Nah.
Cause I was gonna say, if this is connected to this, that means you should try this and see if the hazards don't work. It's the whole thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It is the whole assembly or whatever, because whenever you like I'll show you, like, let me see like when I do mine like this, it automatically goes in like that.
Okay.
Like it don't even stop it from, see how
Yeah.
it don't even stop it from doing that. So it got to be that. So I pretty much got everything that I need for the Grand Prix except the heads-up display. So I got everything right here. I got the glove compartment, I got the fan, I got the vents that I need, and then there's one thing I need to fix is the rear view mirror, which I just need to put some glue. I'm going back in about 2-3 days to get the heads-up display from that GXP. So
the next day.
What's going on, oh damn, I ain't even got to do an intro. I'm tripping. So it is the next day, y'all, from the junkyard. It is actually Sunday, and they actually are open. So what I'm doing right now is going back to the junkyard, because hopefully they still open, because you know, with COVID and stuff, everybody changed their hours and all that good stuff. So it's early in the morning too, man. So got the heads-up display, real easy to get out. 3 bolts. So now I know what to do whenever I install it into my car. 3 bolts to get out. I got the climate control, because mine's is all toe up and nasty looking, so I got another one. And then I also got a handle for the Rango. Hey y'all, so I already started taking the heads-up display off because I'm really curious to see if this new one works. But I just want to kind of show y'all if y'all doing the same thing. It is fairly easy to take it off. The hardest part is probably taking this, and probably taking the cover off. But as you can see, the cover's already cracked, so I'm not too worried about it. I don't really care about it, honestly. Oops. Yeah. So the cover's already broken, so I wasn't even really worried about the cover. If I may try to find another one to go on top, or maybe put something right there. There's a bolt right here, and there's another bolt on this side. It's 2 bolts. Once you undo those bolts, and then you have this little screw right here. Once you undo those 3, you can pull the heads-up display out. But to take the actual, you have to take off the speedometer and all that stuff to get to it. So to take that off, you probably don't have to take all this off, because I was doing this with the turn signal. But to take the speedometer off, of course you have to take this top portion off. It unclips. You probably got to take this bottom part off. And then once you get the plastic part, be careful, because like I said, y'all, I barely touched it and it broke. Once you take that off, it's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Unscrew those, pull them out, Phillips with a Phillips, and that's pretty much it. The whole thing come out. There's one little clip, one little thing for the wires, and that's pretty much it. And then you can get to the heads-up display. The spring is right here, so that spring, I'm guessing, is what makes it go up and down. And in this one, you can't really see the spring, but the spring is right there. It's attached, so we should be good once I put this one in, hopefully. But y'all can see this one right here, the spring done came off and broke, probably from the heat. Hey y'all, so it is working perfect. You see, let me sit back. I can make it go down, go up. So that is one problem I fixed. And then basically I wanted this because when you put this in the manual mode, there's no way to see on the speedometer what gear you're in. I mean, obviously I kind of know, but just to have a little safe of mind, because when you put it, it shows up on here. So I mean, I always wanted a car with heads-up display, and see, you can adjust it, you can turn the brightness down, turn it up. But like I said, I'm gonna have to bolt it in and get it back in tomorrow. I know some of y'all want to see like me actually working on a car, but I be so in the moment when I be doing stuff, I don't even be thinking about recording. So I got here, I gotta go drop off the powder hunter guys to redo my wheels. But I got here and I just decided to go ahead and start taking apart the fan. Y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all. It was that exact fan. When I pulled it out, see, it's all cracked and stuff. Pulled it out like that too, so probably was already messed up. Like I said, this stuff is brittle, so I don't think I messed it up when I pulled it out. But like I said, I don't think it's coincidence, because this is the side that wasn't working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the other one in there. But whenever you're doing that, you have to take off the I guess they call this the torque mount. I'm not really sure the correct term for it, but it mounts right here and it's 4 bolts. Take that off. I took the actual other part off. You don't have to take that off. You can unloosen it, pull it back. I was trying to take this part out and come out right here in the bag, but it's easier to just take the whole thing off and call it a day. Alright y'all, so got the new fan in. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start doing the GoPro on my head so y'all can actually see whenever I'm doing it. But I got the new one in, got it all plugged up. working. I'm up in here eating me some ramen right now. I've been chilling. The air on, the air work. Both fans is working. It hasn't, usually it'll go past the halfway mark and go up some, and then it'll come back down. And it'll stay past the halfway mark. So far it's been staying in that same spot. The fans will kick on and off, you know, normally what they do, but before it wasn't even doing that. It was just one staying on constantly, I guess, just trying to cool it, trying to make up for the one that was broken. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive this thing around for a day, running errands and stuff, just to see how it's running and all that stuff, if I encounter any problems before I take it and go get the exhaust. So I'm gonna drive it around with the open header. Not open headers, with a cut off open manifold, whatever you want to call it, but I'm gonna drive it like that just to see, because all that's left now is to, well, that's pretty much it. Honestly, that was it. So all that's left now is to go get the exhaust done. Oh, the power steering and the lights. That's what's next. So I'm trying to figure out the lights, because the connector was different, and I got the other connector from a GXP, so I don't know why it was different from mine. Mine's got something extra on it. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. That'll be all for this video, y'all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another day.